Welcome to another video from Pro 3 Properties, and today we are in St. Catharines looking at a vacant legal duplex which formerly was a bungalow, and we added a legal basement apartment. So we've had tenants living here for about 3 years. In the this is the main unit, the unit number 1, main/upper. And they moved out recently, so we painted everything. And got everything deep cleaned. This is the original hardwood floor that was refinished. There's a closet there. It's cork floor, which is unique. Okay, so we have a separate hydro panel here. So each unit has its own hydro panel and hydrometer, so they pay for their own consumption. This is the garage. It's an oversized garage next door, or right beside the house. This is stackable laundry. Each unit has stackable laundry. There's a big backyard. I think the lot size is 62 by 130, I believe. So this unit has 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. So this is the first bedroom. Closet. Step on something here. Okay. There's another extra spare closet here in the hallway. Ecobee smart thermostat. Okay, bedroom number 2. Again, original hardwood floors, refinished. This bedroom has two windows instead of 1. And then again, you have your closet here. All right. That's the neighbor's property. Alright, and then the master bedroom, which is the largest one, with the largest windows. Another closet. And there you go. And then last but not least, the bathroom. Bathtub with shower. Dual flush toilet. And that's about it. Downstairs is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in the basement with a large furnace room, utility room. So on this property, we did an energy audit through the government. and we did a significant amount of renovations in order to get this all done. Anyway, thanks for watching Pro3 Properties on YouTube. Peace.